How to push Elevenlabs email notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can push Elevenlabs email notifications. So one thing you must notice that Elevenlabs, unlike other websites, you get notifications as long as your email is verified and is synced to your Elevenlabs account. So what do I mean? Once you're logged in into your Elevenlabs account, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar which includes options like text-to-speech, voice changer voices, sound effects, projects, notifications. Then click on your profile name. By doing that, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options like profile, API keys, subscription payouts, etc. So click on profile. By clicking on profile, your email address will be displayed, which shows that your email address has been synced to your Elevenlabs account. Once you can see your email address displayed here, just note that every notification that you'll be receiving on Elevenlabs would also be sent to your email account. So that's way, the ones that you don't want to receive anymore, just click on the unsubscribe option on the email page and you no longer get those notifications again. But as long as your email address is connected to your Elevenlabs account, you will definitely get push notifications in your email. So that is just it. You cannot customize it yourself on the Elevenlabs account. The only way is to either unsubscribe or stop receiving the emails from Elevenlabs. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.